The national capital and its air quality, which continues to be in poor category for the third day in a row. While most of Delhi continues to breathe poison, Chandni Chowk has turned out to be a revelation, with air quality there being recorded in the moderate category. My colleague Tanishka will tell you why.
Chandni Chowk is among the least polluted spots in Delhi. This popular tourist hub is recording and breathing cleaner air than other parts of the capital. But why is that so? Let's find out. Identified as one of the most congested spots in the national capital, Chandni Chowk in Old Delhi is now boasting of a new tag. The area is one of the spots in Delhi having cleanest air. Delhi is still breathing poison, but the air quality has improved from severely toxic to poor. Chandni Chowk did better by recording AQI between moderate to poor levels.
अब चांदनी चौक का जहाँ तक संबंध है, वो चांदनी चौक में क्या है कि मोटराइज्ड जो चीज़ें हैं, मोटराइज्ड जो व्हीकल्स हैं, वो अलाउड नहीं है। 9 से 9 तक तो बंद नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, और बड़े बड़े व्हीकल्स जो हैं वो अलाउड नहीं है, हैवी गुड्स वाले। तो थोड़े समय के लिए जो मीडियम गुड्स हैं वो थोड़े से अलाउड हैं, लेकिन हैवी गुड्स बंद हैं। तो इसीलिए वहाँ का जो एयर पॉल्यूशन कम आएगा ही आएगा। बाहर से कोई ट्रैफिक आता ही नहीं है, किसी भी तरह का जो BS4 गाड़ियाँ हैं वो नहीं आ रही हैं, एक्सेप्ट एसेंशियल आइटम्स वाली।
One of the factors that led to this, traffic curbs. Chandni Chowk has been a non-motorized zone with only cycle rickshaws permitted inside.
In 2021, there was a traffic imposement of traffic restriction in that area, and I think that actually led to the better AQI in that area. So I think this is the best example of how you manage the traffic, and if you manage the traffic and if you create a non-motorized zone, you will have an improvement in air quality index.
The air quality monitoring station in Chandni Chowk was established by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology.
So any sudden changes in the concentration or in indexes must be critically evaluated to know the parameters which influenced it. If an episode continues for a major part of the averaging time, yes, it can give the significant index. So wherever the sudden changes are there, we have to, that must be critically evaluated.
Experts say it's too early to celebrate a big turnaround. According to a study by Center for Science and Environment, 51.5% of pollution contributing factor in Delhi is that of transport and vehicular emission. And Chandni Chowk may as well be evident to that factor. What we are understanding is that curbing transport has helped the pollution levels. But how far and till how much time is this possible for the entire city? To answer that, the public transport system needs to be strengthened, and that is one of the major concerns at this point to fight with the pollution problem in Delhi. With camera person Siddhesh Kumar, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.